Bad. The atmosphere was very bad. Working conditions were bad. And I think this was a way to try and improve what we had here.
The assumption on the project Pacer Share is that the worker want to do a good job, that the worker wear long pants, not short pants. The worker comes through the gate. Don't check your mind at the gate. See, they come in with a willingness to work, to achieve, to be innovative, to be spontaneous, to do these things that will push forth the Air Force.
And I think once the bond started and the trust started, I think that's where the big cultural turnaround happened. Because when you trust someone on job, off your job, it means a lot.
The Quality Bill of Rights is an idea that lets everyone in the organization know that they have specific rights. The right to challenge business as usual. Business as usual has gotten us to where we are. We want to do better. Everyone has the right to be heard. No one should feel fear in the organization. If they feel fear, then they suppress good ideas. They have the right to expect a commitment to quality. In other words, they should be proud of their work. All of us have the right to expect the quality of the product to take precedence over the quantity. In other words, production is important, but production is not the be-all, end-all.
In the past, it's been you got them out no matter what it took. If it took shoddy work or if it took something else other than what you really wanted to produce, you had to produce that number.